Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial video, I'm going to show you how to deactivate your Pinterest account. The process is really easy. Let's get straight to the point. So first of all, open Pinterest on your phone and be sure you're logged into your account. Here's the homepage of Pinterest. On the homepage, you'll have to tap on the person's icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Once you reach your profile page, tap on the three dots at the top right corner. And from this menu, go to Settings. On the settings page under account information, you'll see the third option, which is account management. Go ahead and tap on it. On the account management page, you can see the option deactivate account at the bottom, the second last option. Go ahead and tap on it. On this page, you can go through the text if you want to. Deactivating your account means no one will see your pins or your profile and you will no longer be linked to YouTube, Etsy or Instagram. And you can also reactivate your account anytime by simply logging in. Now tap on continue. Once you're logged out of your account, you can be sure that your account has been deactivated. So this is it for the tutorial. I hope it was helpful. Don't forget to like the video and stay tuned for further tutorials. Thank you.